So this is the newest fragrance line from the John Varvatos line. This is the XX Elixir. This was gifted to me from the brand, but as always, my opinions are my own. So what I love about this has some of my favorite notes. And one, I am a Tonka girl. I love Tonka. I love it and everything. But just the blend of this gives you such like manly, woodsy kind of vibes that just kind of blend so perfectly. For me, this is definitely like a more sultry, like nighttime date perfume than anything else. But this has some amazing notes. This has top notes of bergamot, which is going to be that citrus, and generally citruses kind of go quicker than other fragrances. So that's why you're going to see it probably, you're not going to get those longer lasting of the bergamot, but Davana, and you're going to get ginger, which will be that little bit of spiciness. The mid notes of rum, geranium, and black iris. So slight florals, but that touch of rum gives almost like a sweetness to it. Obviously tonka bean too, which is kind of a variation of a vanilla. Cedarwood, which is going to give you that earthiness, and leather, which is really going to ground the cologne. But what I love about too, this really lasts on the skin so long. This gives you some beautiful notes, but also too, this bottle is definitely a display piece. This cap is metal, and it really has some good weight to it, and also to this beautiful like applique or emblem on it is absolutely beautiful. So this will definitely be a showcase on your little vanity. So if you're looking for a new cologne, this is one you definitely need.